How to update your NVIDIA graphic card driver. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video by One Click Finances. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can update your NVIDIA graphic card driver. So before we begin, if you're new, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's dive right in. First of all, what you'll need to do is simply search for NVIDIA graphic cards driver, and there you'll find download the official NVIDIA drivers. Head over to the website, and after you're on the website, you can then search your product. So from here, select your product category. So just select whichever product that is yours. You can choose which series it is. You can choose, which workstation for which Windows, and basically search and tap on the find button. So after you find your compatible driver, you can then tap on the download button. So let's tap on view. And after you search for your driver, after you found it, tap on the download option. After you've tapped on the download version, it can take some time to download. So wait for it to get downloaded. After it gets downloaded, all you have to do is open up this exe file and just follow the prompts. Since I don't have NVIDIA driver in mind, it's not really used for me, but you can just open this up, follow the prompts, and your driver will get updated. And it's that simple. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. That is all. If you guys are new, as I said, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and stay tuned with One Click Finances.